check, check. Can you hear me? Check, check.
No.
She's not here. I can use the mic here, or I put it on the.
Okay. You're live.
Okay. Alright, welcome back to the Orion Trading Academy's live streaming every day from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Oh, again from 12 p.m. So it's already 6 months, and welcome back. So we are still on the air to give you some our advice on your trading. This Orion Trading Academy is here to make you to trade every day. So let's take a look at today's signals. Today we have a signals for gold dollar, pound yen, as well as for the Aussie dollar. If you want to try to trade with steady profits with a very great high win rate strategy, this is what you want and this is what you need. So here we are having three signals for today, which are pound yen, Aussie dollar, and gold dollar. So right now what you are saying here is we've already started the strategy today with both of the gold as well as for pound yen. Okay, all three strategies already started for the day. Then we just take a close look at what we have here and to see what will happen to the market. Today for the pound yen, we are starting with a buy strategy. Oh, let me just double check, right? We want to make sure if the pound yen really started. Actually not, the pound yen is not started yet. So for the pound yen, we're still waiting for the strategy to get started. It will be started when the price hits 191.050 or the price hit 191.130. That's where our strategy will start. So currently pound yen is not started yet. So we're still waiting for the pound yen to get started. And then we'll just take another close look at other two pairs. We also have the gold pair, which already started right now. We do a sell at 2196.50 and our targeted TP is 2192.50. 2192.50 is our TP for the gold for the day. And then we'll just take a close look at the Aussie dollar again. For the Aussie dollar today, we have already started the strategy with a buy. Our TP is 65350. 65350 is our TP for the Aussie dollar. So if not, just to see if the Aussie dropped, then we can still place another layer for the buy. If not, then it will just be a day for today's strategy. So let's just take a close look at what will happen in the next 3 hour and half an hour, which is 210 minutes to see what will happen in our afternoon session. Orion Trading Academy is a training institution that will issue strategy every day to help you to learn how to make steady profits from us. If you're interested about learning our strategy, earning steady profits from our Trading Academy, please check our bio, enter our group chat, and we will tell you how to subscribe our high win rate strategy. In the past 7 years, this strategy has been proved with an 80% winning rate, which means if you place 5 trades, 4 out of the 5 trades will be correct and profitable trades. Okay. So now we'll just wait to see what will happen for today's market. We are having 3 strategies for the day: Aussie, gold, and pound yen. Hope we will have a smooth strategy for today. And our distance traders is also displaying right on the board. If any of the actions being done by our distance traders, I will also let you guys know. If you placed any of the trades here, I will let you guys know. Otherwise, I will just talk through today's market a bit. So let's just take a close look at today's market a bit. For the gold, it is quite a strong uptrend, starting from like early February. It starts from 2000 all the way to 220. Okay, 2020 200. So it's a large rise for the golds in a very large scale, and currently it's still an uptrend in the recent days. Okay, but today for the gold, we already started the sell strategy. So let's see what will happen for the gold and for the sell strategy. For the Aussie dollar, okay, the dollar actually it's quite like a fluctuation in the recent day, and also in more like a daily trend starting from like the mid-February. It's more likely a downtrend for the dollar. Okay, for the Aussie dollar, I'm not meaning the dollar is quite on the uptrend, but for Aussie dollar it's quite in the downtrend. So today, but we are still in the recent days, it's still like a fluctuation. It's like a solid consolidation. So today for the Aussie, we are going to do a buy strategy, and we've already started the buy strategy for the Aussie to wait it to hit 0.65350. That's where we take the profit for the Aussie dollar. Finally, for the for the pound yen. Okay, everybody knows what happened to the BOJ. Okay, and there's a lot of policies changes for the BOJ, and the pound yen is like keep rising. Currently it's already at a 191.300, something around that. It's like at the highest point in the historical chart at like in the recent 17 years. Okay, so it's quite a place that there might be some pressure happens, and there might be some huge retracement that will happen for the pound yen. But we are only doing trades in the 4 hours, so we don't really need to take a close look at all those matters. So for today, we are going to do whether a buy or a sell strategy. It need to be confirmed by when the price hit our execution zone. All right, so let's just quickly check if there will be any news today that might influence our trading. At 3 p.m. there will be the German retail sale monthly, but it's not like an important thing. Do remember tonight the USA will issue their final GDP at 8:30 p.m. Singapore time, so it will not influence our trading, but it will definitely influence some of you guys' tradings. Okay, the gold is beginning to drop. That's a good signal. Okay, if the gold keep dropping to 193.30, then we will call it for a day for the gold. All right. And every day once our strategies are done, my assistant will help you to draw the correct strategy, how we can execute strategy correctly on the screen, so you would like to know how you can execute a strategy well. Based on our historical data, the winning rate of our strategy is 80%. So if you do our strategy 5 times a day, you will win 4 times and 1 time lose. And this is based on 7 years historical data. It's not a back test, but it's something that human beings really done in the past 7 years, and we proved it's an 80% winning rate. It's not done by back test. Again, it's actually been proved by real human beings and real fund teams that they finished this in this way. Okay. All right, so there's nothing that we can talk right now. The market is still running. We are waiting for the market to reach our zone that we can do correspondent actions. Again, our TP for the gold is 2193.30. Any price below 2193.30. For the Aussie dollar, our targeted TP is any price higher than 0.65350. As well as for pound yen, we are still waiting for the price to trigger our strategies. If you are interested about our signals, if you wanted to earn money easily, just click on our bio to check out our group link, and that is the way that you can get us connected. Do you have any audience right now?
Yeah, we have 4 on TikTok.
Oh, okay, good.
So,
So,
on the other channels.
oh, okay. That's good. That's nice. Yep, so as what I mentioned before, that these days the trend for the gold is quite straightforward and clear. It's a bit risky for us to do actually to do a sell today, but again, it's what the strategy tell us to do. So if you wanted to follow our strategy to do the things, that's exactly what you need to do. Okay, so you need to 100% like follow the strategy. Then as the strategy telling you to do a sell today, then we just do the sell. If you 100% follow our strategy, then it's very easy for you to earn money. If you have too much of your personal thinkings and your personal understandings about our strategy, then it's highly likely that you will lose money. Okay, so we see the pound yen begins to increase. Okay, if it touches 191.130, that will trigger our buy strategy, and our distance traders already start his sell position for the gold. Our distance traders already start his sell position for the for the buy. Okay, he did a buy at 2195.42. Okay, he did a buy for the gold. Okay, if you started the sell position for the gold, currently you might hold something around 12 pips profits. Our target zone again is something around 2192, 2193.30. That's where our target zone for the gold is. For the pound yen, we're still waiting for the strategy to be finished. For Aussie, yes, we are also waiting for the strategy to be finished. Yep, as what I mentioned here, our distance traders already start his trade for the gold. Oh, as we see the Aussie dollar keep dropping, getting back to our entry zone. So if the Aussie dollar keep dropping and get back to our entry zone, which is something around Yeah, currently the AUD is back to the entry zone, so that's where you could enter with a buy if you want to do it. Okay, the AUD is already get back to the entry zone. If you want to do a buy, it's okay for you to do a buy here. The Aussie dollar is back to our entry zone. Again, there was a chance for you to enter Aussie. If you enter the Aussie, as what I said before, your TP is around 0.65350. Your TP is around 0.65350. As well as for the pound yen, we're still waiting it to hit our target line. Pound yen still did not hit our target zone line, so we're still waiting for the pound yen to get finished. To get started. And for the gold dollar, we are waiting it to drop. Okay, so we see the gold is being jumped right now. Again, today we do recommend you to do a buy. So if you did not do sell, that's fine. Just a way to see what will happen. For the pound yen, it's getting much closer to our entry zone. Okay, but also the strategy today, we do recommend you to do buy. Okay, we do have some comments. Let me quickly check.
Thanks for following.
Oh, thank you for following us. Yeah, let me just quickly check what our Are we using Orion Training Academy to do the live stream? Why I cannot see the live stream?
That's Orion Training Academy.
Yeah, I cannot see the live stream from my end. That's strange. Okay, we have XFX Frame said good morning, good morning. We have somebody click something like it's a gift or something for us. Okay, thank you for following us. Okay. Alright, the gold just went back to close to our selling zone. If you want to sell, that's a good place for you to start a sell there. The other two pairs we're still waiting for. The Japan yen still not get started. For the Aussie, we're waiting for it to hit the TP. Alright, so we see the Aussie still dropping, so if it's getting back to our entry zone, that can still do a buy. And I think for the pound yen, let me just take a quick look. I think it's getting much closer to our entry zone, but still did not start yet. Just wait to see what will happen. Okay, so if you're interested in our strategy, this strategy has been worked for the past 7 years with a high win rate about 80%, which means if you execute 5 orders, 4 of your orders will be correct. So if you're interested about learning our strategy, if you want to earn more passive income, if you want to earn more steady from your trades, please check our bio, click into our group link, and our customer service representatives will be there to help you to get a subscription of our trades, subscription of our signals, where you will be able to follow someone who is an expert, who is a steady signal trader. So you can just do copy trading from them and earn steady profits. There's multiple ways for you to earn passive profits when you join us. But first of all, you need to click on our bio and check our link and get into the group. We're still waiting for the all 3 PS to get started for to finish or get started for the day. But let's wait to see what will happen. Alright, so we see Aussie dollar just drop to the zone again. Aussie dollar just dropped to the zone, getting much closer to our entry level. Again, if it is right now, it still was in the zone where we could enter the market with a buy strategy, with a buy order. Okay, so if you want to place a buy order here, this is where probably you can do a buy for today's Aussie dollar. We're still waiting for the gold as well as for the pound yen to get it finished for the day. We'll just wait to see what will happen. Come with you. I don't know. We just simply talk. Actually, yeah.
Okay.
We just simply talk. Yeah, we just talk a lot. You muted before? You currently muted? No. Okay. Yeah. We just keep talking. Keep talking. Keep talking. All right. So we do right now have Josephine with us. I need my assistant to adjust the camera a bit, so we don't want to have a live here for Josephine's face. But yeah, we welcome Josephine.
Hello.
Yeah, she is quite new here, and
Yeah.
I think Josephine never did trade before, right?
Yeah.
So it's quite a new thing for you.
Yes, it is.
But I think you've experienced it a bit. I
Yes.
think before you also asked me something about the demo account. You're using the demo to get a big experience of our strategy. What is your feeling? Is that like as accurate as what we've talked before?
I feel like, yeah, it's 80%, right?
Yeah.
So, of course, it's not like always 100% right.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, if you play it correctly, you can earn money from it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. So, like Sophie, she never traded before. She never learned anything about forex. Never learned anything about trading. You don't really need to know something about the candlesticks or all the technical analysis.
Yeah.
But just to simply follow the
Strategy.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's very easy for you to gain some profits.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is how our strategy works. You don't need to have any basic knowledge. You don't have to trade before. It's just quite new. But the strategy is quite easy for you to understand and follow.
It is.
Yeah, when it's get close to the line, get into the zone, you just do what we tell you to do, okay? Do the corresponding execution, then just earn some profits from it. Yeah, so I think it's quite easy and quite simple for beginners to learn, right? Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, alright. So today we are waiting for the strategy to be finished right now. We just do a quick review because I think Josephine is away from doing the trades for a while, right? So yeah, we just do a quick review of our strategy, and it's also a good chance for Josephine get a bit review of what our strategy is.
Yeah.
So as you may see on the screen, there are 4 lines, okay? So whether it's in the green, yellow, or red, there are 4 lines there on the screen. Then if the price, every time the price will start at 12 p.m., it will always in between the second line and third line.
Yes.
So if the price get close to the second line first, we do sell. If the price get close to the third line first, then we do buy.
Yeah.
Then if the price walk to the correct direction, so let's say if we do a sell at the second line, the correct direction will be a short, will be like a downtrend.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to close for profits when the price hit the third line. On the opposite, if we do a buy at the third line, then our TP will be the second line. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's quite easy and straightforward with what you need to do, just to see how the market goes, and then do the reaction when the market fits some of the conditions. So as you may see today, for on the very right side, which is the gold, you
Yeah.
can see it touched the second line first.
Yes.
So that's where we should do a sell and wait to see if the price will keep dropping down to the third line.
Yes.
And that's where we could take profit. The other two, I think Aussie, it's dropped down right now, so that's where we could do a buy when the price getting closer to the third line. That will meet the condition for us to do a buy. So after you place a buy, if the price keep like moving up to get close to the second line, then that's where we could close it for profits.
Yes.
Yeah. So I just briefly introduced the strategy again to you guys, and also get just a little bit of refresh of our strategy. So yeah, it's very quite easy. I just use 1 minute to explain it to you,
Yeah.
and then you can just get started to using our strategy to trade. Again, as what Josephine said, our winning rate is about 80%,
Yes.
and it's actually proved by a lot of the trainees, and in the past 7 years, a lot of people tried our strategy. And the win rate is actually not by back test. I know there's a lot of strategies they're using the computer back test to test it out, the accuracy, but we actually did the strategy for 7 years.
Yeah.
And we can show you all of the record and what else people are doing. So it's actually a real number that you can take reference on, that this is an 80% win rate. So if you place 5 trades, 4 out of the 5 trades will be correct, will be profitable trades. Okay, yeah. Alright. Oh, I just a quick thing. I think Pang Yen just touched our entry zone. So all of the 3 strategies starts today. As you may see, Pang Yen just get very close to the second line. That's where we could start with a sell. Okay. Again, if the price get close to the second line, that's where we do sell. If the price get close to the third line, that's where we do buy. So today all 3 strategy started. On the left side, which is our Pang Yen, we should start with a sell. On the middle is the Aussie dollar, we should do a buy. On the right is the gold, that's where we should do a sell. So all 3 strategies start today. We'll just wait to see what is the result of today's strategy. Okay, again, for the sell strategy, you close the position around the third line. That's where you take profit. For the buy strategy, you should take profit around the second line. Okay, all right. So again, just something like how many days it took you to understand the strategy well and get familiar with the strategy?
I think I started trading, like tried trading for 2 weeks,
Okay.
and it's a good experience.
Mhm.
Of course, I did a demo account first
Yeah.
so that I can be more comfortable
Mhm.
and like learn from my mistakes.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. But yeah, after you like getting more familiar with the strategy, then
Yeah.
you are just so good to go. So it's not like you
Yeah.
go to went to some other trading lessons. You have to be there for many weeks.
Yeah.
And you have to learn a lot of terms and analysis. And after you apply it to the market, you will still make some mistakes.
Yeah,
and it's
of
still not
course.
applicable.
Yeah.
The thing is that at building our strategy, it's not like you to learn a lot of knowledge and you apply it to the market. Sometimes you will see the things you learn from the book is totally different from what you learn from the market.
Yeah.
But we could go directly, you go directly to the market to do trades, to practice using our strategy, and then you will find that it's easy for you to earn money. Because the
Yeah.
ultimate goal for you to learn those things is you wanna earn money from the
Yeah,
market. You
of
wanna
course.
get the profit from the market. So this is the simplest way for you to, well, I cannot say learn trading, but this is the simple way for you to earn profits from the
Yeah.
trading, from the market, just simply using our online trading chemistry and execute it well, and you may easily to earn the profits. Yes. Okay. And I will just yield the field a bit to Josephine. We do have another feature which is called copy trading, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you just briefly tell our audience what is the copy trading? What is the benefits of it?
So copy trading is when you follow someone, and yeah, so when you follow someone, so you don't have to trade at all. Like you don't have to know any knowledge about trading,
Yeah.
and you can just like copy that person.
Yes.
Of course, I would ask for y'all to also do your research on which person you want to follow. Like, look at their track records, if they're nice or not. So yeah, and of course, do know that they're also like humans who do trading. So sometimes they win and sometimes they lose. Yeah, just gotta be careful. But of course, you won't have to know a thing about trading lah, and you're just following them. Like, maybe call them experts who has been who has done trading for a long time.
Yeah, for a
already.
truly long
Yeah.
time. Yeah. So those traders have already been verified by our platform.
Yeah.
We want to make sure that your account is safe, right? But still, what Josephine said, it's not 100% guaranteed.
Yeah.
Guaranteed payback. But still, compared to yourself, for some individual traders, for those amateur traders, if
Yeah.
they want to do trades themselves, their winning rate tend to be very low. Right?
Yeah.
It's very easy for you to lose money in the market. But all those signal traders on board, they are experienced traders. They are traders who has already a lot of experience in the market, so they are more likely to earn money from the market. Yeah. So you don't need to trade yourself. Okay, you can just simply follow someone, and everything you need to do is just to check your balance every day to
Yeah.
see if it hits some of your goal line,
Yeah.
or it hit your stop loss line. Then you may need to stop following this guy
Yeah.
and starting for somebody else. Okay,
Yes.
but if it hit your TP, let's say if one trader help you to earn 20%, then you may transfer the 20% profit out.
Yeah.
So please do remember you need to get your profit out.
Yes.
Don't like put all your profits again in the
Yeah.
market and keep running, because there do some chances that these traders might lose money.
Lose money
Yeah, and it's
also.
it's very normal you lose
Yeah,
money
it's
from
very
the market.
common.
Yeah,
Yeah.
There's no one who could always win.
Yeah, of
money
course.
from the market.
It's just
So-
like a trusted process.
Yes,
kind of
that's
thing.
true. Yeah, so
When it goes down, it can go up.
yeah, it
again.
goes down.
Yeah.
When you goes down, you just set up a good stop loss, so it will not help. it will make you lose all of your money.
Yeah.
When it goes up, do remember to take profit when it hit your target line.
Yes.
So protect your principal very
Yes.
well. So this is another feature that you may get a big experience if you're joining the Orion Trading Academy. So please do check our bio and page, and there
Yeah.
is a link for you to join our Telegram group. Then from there you can contact our customer agent, then we will be able to serve you to get connected with us.
Yeah.
Whether you want to subscribe our strategy or you want to try the copy trading,
Yeah.
that would be a good opportunity for you. Yeah. Okay, so let's just take a quick look at the market right now. As you may see here, as what I said, pound yen on the very left side is already entered the sell. So currently it looks nice. For the last candle, it's a good candle shape to see. This might be some resistance on the higher zone. So the price might fall down. For the Aussie dollar, it's getting much more closer to the third line, so you may have a better position for you to enter there. For the gold, yeah, it's keep dropping. Again, for the gold today, we already entered a sell, as I said. When the price hit the second line, we should do a sell. So if the price keep dropping, getting closer to the third line, that's where we will close it for profits. Okay. So let's just wait to see how the market will react for the next, again, our trading hours. Okay, quick test, quick quiz. What are our trading hours?
Is it daylight savings?
Yes, because
It
it's
is?
the daylight saving. Because currently we are already into the daylight savings. So
so
for the daylight
it's-
saving, we start from 12 and we go all the way to 4.
4,
So
yeah.
it's 4 hours trading windows every day. You just need to trade in these 4 hours.
Yeah.
And then you just earn very a very good amount of money
Yes.
from our market. So it's compared to other jobs, okay, this one is quite easy because you only need 4 hours. Okay, if you go to work, it is at least 8 hours for
Yes.
the day, but for this trading, only 4 hours. Just to watch on the market. And actually, you don't need to watch on the market every second, right?
Yeah.
Once you enter the market, you just can do something else and wait for the price to hit the next target and you do the next reaction.
Yeah.
So actually currently, let's say if right now you've already get all 3 positions in, then you don't really need to enter the market anymore. You just need to wait, set up an alert and then wait to the alert to be sounded, and you come back to see what is your next step. So easy for you to do once you get our signal subscribe. Only thing you need to do is just follow the signal and do the execution and earn easy passive income from us. Yeah, quite easy to do. Yeah.
But of course, do keep an eye on them because you don't know when it'll
Yeah, sometimes
go
there's
up and go down.
as what Josephine said, sometimes if there's news happening or if there's something breaking news, though we have a good choice, it's currently it's the Asian market, so the European as well as the New York market, they don't join in, so it's not, there's not a lot of news from the like America, New York, or the European nations. So still it's quite safe. Let's say compared to the late night session,
Yeah.
this session will be quite safe for you.
Yes, that's true.
Because we are playing with the gold la, the Aussie dollar la, the quoted pairs are dollars la. So basically it will be more fluctuated and more influenced by the market news during the night sessions, right?
Yes.
But currently it's the afternoon session. Only Asian people are awake. They're still sleeping. So yeah, there's not a lot of news happening here for dollars, for the gold. So yeah, so that's the reason why we choose this 4 hour for you to trade, because we want it
More
to be
stable.
more stable, less fluctuation,
Yeah.
less volatility.
Yeah.
So that will help you to execute your strategy much better.
Yeah.
You will have a longer time to find a better place to enter and find a better place to exit.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Yep. So as what I've talked before, pound yen begin to decrease. That's what we want. If the pound yen drop, that's good. For the Aussie dollar, it's getting much closer to our entry line. That's where we could enter the market with a buy. And then for the gold, it's a dropping thing. That's good actually. If the gold keep dropping and break the supporting line, then we would expect the gold to be finished very soon. Can we actually take a close look at the gold if possible? Let's enlarge the gold a bit. Yeah. Okay, so as you may see here, from the technical way, there is a kind of a support here because you see you see this line,
Yes.
like when the price touch this line, the price always bounce, right? So this is what we call, it's like what a support is. If the price keep dropping and break the support, which means maybe this support line is being broke, then the price will drop. If this line will still establish, let's say the price will keep bouncing after it touched this line, then we will say this support line still works. Then the price will still be like fluctuated or there will be a consolidation around this price. But if the price broke through this support zone, then we expect this strategy will be finished very smoothly because
Yes.
the price will keep dropping and go to our third line. Okay, so that is our expectation. That is what we assume that will happen. But still, you need to do the reaction when the market hit them certain conditions.
Yes.
Yeah, so every time, please be patient. It's a 4-hour long trading period. It's not like 40 minutes or 1 hour.
Yeah.
So when you begin to trade, execute your orders first, you really need to get prepared for any of the scenarios to be happening.
Yes.
So once you enter the market, you need to be
Give it your
patient.
all.
Yeah, give it. Yeah, so it's like
Like 4
a
hours.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can't be rushed. Okay, if you've been too rushy and not patient about what happened in the market, and you close too early or you react too early, then sometimes you tend to lose more.
That's true. But I feel like even if you if you reacted already, don't feel disappointed because
Yeah.
there's always tomorrow, right? Don't be too harsh on yourself.
That's true.
Of course, you live and you learn, right?
Uh-huh.
And that's what happened between my 2 weeks of trying to trade. And yeah, just don't be too hard on yourself.
Because you know it's a 80% winning rate.
Yeah.
So if you lose today, you might just encounter the 20% losing scenarios.
Yeah.
Then tomorrow
You can
it's,
win again.
Yeah, it will be more likely tomorrow will be a winning
Yes.
day.
Learn from your mistakes.
Yeah. And every time you make some of these mistakes, you can every day after the 4 hours, you can do a review
Yeah,
to see
review.
whether it's the strategy is wrong or what you did is wrong.
Yes.
And then you can quickly
Emotional.
learn from the strategy. Okay. So and what is one of the benefits when you enter our group is that every day we will send the review to the group. So you can
Yes.
compare your own trading record with the correct way to do the strategy.
Yeah.
So it will be easy for you to learn and grow
Yes.
quickly.
So you
because,
can
yeah,
see.
you can see what you did wrong and what is the correct way to execute your strategy for the day.
Yes.
And you will be able to learn from that. Yeah. All right. So can we switch back to the 3 pairs view? Then we will see the Aussie is keep dropping and get much closer to our entry zone, which is 270. Okay. Again, if the price touch the 270, that's where you could enter the market
Yes.
with a buy. Okay. Yep, for the other two, we are just waiting it to be finished. Again, today for the very left pound yen, for the very right gold, we are doing sell strategy, and right in the middle, we are doing a buy strategy for the Aussie dollar. Okay, so if you're interested about our strategy, if you're interested about what we talked about the copy trading future, if you are curious about to learn those things, please check our bio in our page, and then there's a link that you may enter our Telegram group. In our Telegram group, every day we'll send the review to the group, and if you have any questions about the copy trading feature or about our signal subscription, you can always raise questions in the group, and our customer agents will be there to help you. Okay. All right. I think our distance traders just close the position for the buy because what I said before today, we actually should do a sell strategy. So I think that's the reason why he closed the position for the buy, and let's just wait to see if he will do the sell. Okay, I think he just misclicked on the direction, so it's a good correction. Okay, for the Aussie, yeah, it's getting much closer to the third line. We will see if our distance traders will do buy. Yeah. So every day, if you apply the strategy well, then you could earn a decent amount of money, but it still depends on the lot that you placed. Okay. For him, you see he's doing like he's currently having something around 2,000 balance. Okay. For the 2,000 balance, I think, can we double check what he placed for today? For the 2,000 principal, he placed something around 0.1 lah. Okay. So 0.1 for each pair, if you earn something around 10 to 15 pips, then in total, probably a day you could earn something around $40 to $50. Then it's 2 to 3% every day.
Yeah.
Quite good. Okay, 2 to 3% every day. Each month you will win something around 40%, and multiplied by the 80% winning rate, it's still like 30% winning for each month. It's quite good.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Compared to some other ways that you do the investment or you do trade yourself, I think most of people can't win 30% every month.
Yes.
Yeah. So subscribe to the strategy is quite a good way for you to earn steady income. Again, this strategy doesn't help you to double your account in a day or whatever.
Don't expect to profit
very quickly.
Yeah, very quickly.
In a
I
very
feel
short
like
period of time.
everything needs a learning progress.
Yeah, that's true.
Process, yeah.
But after you learn and you accumulate your profit
Yeah.
every day, in the monthly view or in the quarterly view, then you'll see that it's actually a good
Yes.
and decent amount of money you accumulated every day.
It'll be a couple of months of learning first though. Yeah, don't hope for instantly doubling your money and everything, because of course ups and downs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but do believe this strategy has been already proved by the market
Yeah.
and by a lot of traders. So if you start in now, it will get the returns.
It's more of training how you think about it, your emotions, training how to not enter or leave too fast.
That's true.
And all those stuff. So it's not the strategies 100% fault, because it's 80%, right?
Yeah.
It's learning how to control your emotions and how you deal with things.
That's
and
true.
it's not easy.
Yeah.
But of course, it's totally worth it.
That's true. Yeah. Alright, just a way to see how the market will go. And you don't really need to do a lot of analysis of the market, you just need to follow the strategy. As what we see here, the Aussie dollar already touched the third line, so that's where you could probably do a buy strategy. Again, if the price hit the third line first, that's where we do a buy. If the price hit the second line first, that's where we do a sell. So that's the reason why we do a sell for gold today, but we do a buy for the Aussie dollar today. Because for the Aussie dollar, it touched the third line first.
Yes.
For gold, it touched the second line first. So for the gold, we do sell. For the Aussie, we do buy. And for the pound yen, it's getting closer to the second line, so we are still doing a sell strategy for the pound yen.
Yeah.
You may wait for a better place, but sometimes if you wait too long, then it might just go down and then finish the strategy.
Yeah.
So it's also you need to a little bit about your own judgment or your own understanding about the market.
Yeah.
Trying to do to enter the market in a more reasonable position.
Yeah.
If you miss it, it's fine. Just miss it. Okay. We have a lot of trainees who don't want to miss any of the trades, so once the strategy is down, they tend to do more trades and they begin to lose money. So please
Don't be
don't
greedy.
do that. Yeah, don't be greedy. If you miss it, just miss it. Tomorrow
Yeah.
we can still, because we have the strategy ready every day. So it's okay for you to miss one or two strategies for one day.
Yeah.
Just catch the opportunity for another day. That's fine.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, we see how magic it is. Once the price getting to the third line, we see a little bit bounce force there for the Aussie. There's a good support there for the Aussie, right? You can see for the Aussie dollar, the candle there. So yeah, we may expect the Aussie to kind of grow there. So yeah, that is one of the supporting line that we draw for today's market. Again, so it's already 1.5 hours because we started at 12 o'clock. Currently it's at 1:30, so it's already 90 minutes past for today's strategy. There are still 2 hours and 30 minutes more for the strategy to be finished, but we get a good start today. All three strategy already get started, so we'll just wait to see what will happen for the next 2 hours and 30 minutes. Do we have some more comments for our viewers right now?
Yeah, so Pablo followed. Thanks for following.
Oh, thank you
Thank
for
you.
following us.
Cool. And then Jason Chan asked, earn money now?
Yeah, currently the strategy is still running. Okay, so if you entered for the pound yen as well as for the Aussie dollar, I think you are like having some floated profits right now. For the gold, if you are holding a sell position, you should have some floated profits right now. But we still need to wait for the strategy to be finished. It's not like if you have the floated profits, you just close the position. You still need to wait the price to hit our target line. That's where you should close the position. Yeah, so we see the Aussie, as we mentioned before, when it touched the third line,
Yes.
we will expect there's a bounce there. That's what happened right now.
It's
Okay?
bouncing right
Yeah,
now.
it's bouncing right now. But when the price hit the third line, that's where you could enter a buy. Then you will see the price begin bouncing. Then you should have some floated profit right now.
Yeah.
For the pound yen and for the gold, we both holding sell positions. And we'll just wait to see if the prices tend to drop to the yellow line, which is the third line. That's where we are going to take the profit. Yeah. So quite easy, because if you already enter the market, then you don't really need to do a lot of analysis. You just simply patiently wait for the price to hit your target
Yeah.
GP line. Okay. But if you haven't entered the market, you may still monitor the gold and the pound yen a bit. If you have a better position to enter, that's a good. That you may, for the pound yen exactly, you might have a better position which is much closer to the second line for you to enter. For the Aussie as well as for the gold, yep, I think it's already, because it's already touched the line, so you should have already entered the market.
Yes.
Again, if it's already touched the line, please do the execution, because it's the best position
Yes.
for you to enter the market.
For you
Okay?
to also earn the most profit.
Yeah, most profit and the smallest stop loss.
Yes.
So that if the price hit the line, please do the strategy. Okay. Okay, the pound yen just getting much more closer to the second line. So if you didn't place the sell position for the pound yen, there might be a good chance for you to enter. Again, for the gold, you should please still hold your sell position. For the Aussie dollar, you should have your buy positions. Okay, so all three strategy already started today. The only thing we need to do here is just to wait. Okay, I know this time period is kind of like need to test your patience a lot. 'Cause
Yeah.
sometimes you need to wait for 3 hours, 4
Of
hours.
course.
Yeah. Sometimes when the strategy just started, you need to enter the market immediately. Then you may wait for 2 or 3 hours to wait the result. But please be patient because
Yeah.
you will be easily earning money if you are patient enough.
It's just 4 hours.
Yep.
So Nelson asked, is there any entry on gold?
Is there any entry on gold? Yes, so if you want to entry, you may enter at the price of around 2196.50. So we are actually doing a sell today for the gold, okay? 2196.50. That is what our suggestion is for the gold. For the pound yen, we are holding a sell position now. For the gold, we are holding a sell position now, and then for the Aussie dollar, we are holding the buys position. Okay. The pound yen is dropping good right now. The pound yen is keep dropping. Okay, the dropping is quite good. Gold, it's not what we want, but we still we could place the second layer when the price keep rising. So right now, please just simply follow the strategy. Do a sell when the price is here around here. Yep, pound yen looks nice right now. If the price keep dropping, then it might be the first pair that we can take profit for the day. Okay, so pound yen currently is just 3 pips away from the TP zone. So if you're holding a sell position for the pound yen, it's just 3 pips away for you to take profit. The other two, we are still holding the positions to see what will happen. Aussie, we are holding with a buy, and then for the gold, we should holding with a sell position. For the pound yen, we are just 3 or 4 pips away from the TP. Again, if the price is below 101.050, that's where you can take profit for the day. Hi, I'm back. So currently we're still waiting for the pound yen to be finished for the day. Okay, so it's just around 3-4 pips away. For the Aussie dollar here, yeah, you see here's a good resistance, sorry, support line when we get close to our third line. And for the gold dollar, yeah, probably it will go to our second zone. So if it's getting, oh, it's quite close to our second zone. Okay, so if it's get close to 2199, that's where we could go sell. All right, yeah. I think the current high is something, yeah, the current high is already getting close to our second layer. So if you want to place the second layer around 2198.2, that's where a good place that you can place the second layer. Oh, yeah, so you see the gold keep up. If it touched 2199, that's definitely a good place for you to do a sell. Okay, so do remember your stop loss for today's gold. It's something around 2199.80. So if the price keep up and hit 2199.80, that's where you should stop loss for the day. Otherwise, we will just wait to see what gold. Right now, it's 2199. That's where we place the sell, and we place another sell around 2196.5. So if the price keep dropping, that's where we will take profit.
Lost my old account, bro. Ask, what do you do? What do you do? WYD.
We're currently waiting for.
Then ask any good setups.
We're currently waiting for the. Yeah.
We're currently waiting for the signals, right? To reach
Yeah.
the platform instead.
Oh, they actually reached already.
Therefore, for Aussie dollar, we have reached the entry point.
Yes.
And then for pound yen, it hasn't. Or rather, it was strategy 2. Yeah. Lost my old account, bro. Say, why so paiseh? Haha.
Yeah.
Yeah, so pretty much Joe here is pretty just helping up to share her her newbie learning experience with us, and in a couple more minutes our professional trader will be coming back up to share a bit more. The pro trader is currently having his meal. Yeah. So BRB. Yeah. But yeah, Joe over here also knows how to trade. Yeah, but she's just learning. Yeah, she's just learning.
Yeah.
So,
I'm still a learner.
You're on trading FT.
Hmm?
What's that? We're just focusing on forex and commodities. You can learn full time. Yes, you can. Yeah, we do have a school for this. We have some courses. If you're interested, actually, you can apply on our website. Yep, head over to www.orionta.com. There's a segment for you to register. It has a price tag to it, but it's free as long as you are not earning from it. Yep, it's a free course as long as you're not earning from it. Currently, our classes are only available offline at KL, Kuala Lumpur. If you're based in Malaysia, KL, right? You could hop by. Hey, thanks for following. We have some plans for a prop firm, but not as of now. Yeah. But if you have good trading statistics and data points for over 2 to 3 months, right, using our validated accounts, then you can be considered on a case-by-case basis. But in the future, it will be a bit more structured out, automated. But right now, as of this point in time, we are still structuring it out. Yep. Basically, Orion Trading Academy is more of like a school. We teach and then we have some partnerships. As of now, correct.
Hello, welcome back. I am the professional trader that our assistant telling you guys do. If you have any questions, I'll be free to ask. What was the question?
How's the trading progress for this lady? Ha ha ha.
Oh, how was the
Oh,
trading progress? Yeah, you
I
can
just-
share of your trading experience.
Actually, I just traded for 2 weeks, right?
Mhm.
But then I stopped.
Yeah.
I feel like I learned a lot from those 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
I stopped because I have like other things to do, but when I'm free, I will probably trade again.
Yeah.
Like from those 2 weeks, I learned how to not be greedy, just take one day at a time and trade the amount that I'm comfortable with losing. So like, yeah, you can definitely earn from it though. It takes time and patience.
Mm-hmm.
It can't be rushed. Of course, your money won't be doubled up in like the next day or like in 1 week or like in 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, there'll be days where you lose money,
Yeah.
but just know that it will bounce back up. And when you lose money, right, don't have the mentality of, oh, I need to gain it all back tomorrow. It's more like, oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, next time I shouldn't do this. It's a learning curve. Yeah. Make sure to set your stop loss and also, yeah, set the leverage to the amount that you're comfortable with.
Yep.
Yeah.
I see someone is asking us, is this lessons free or paid? So if you want to join us for the offline course, it definitely, we don't charge you at first, but once you earn profits from our strategy, then we will charge you with the course fees. And for the signal, if you want to subscribe our signal, currently we are having a promotion. It's a 90% discount promotion, so it's just roughly $10 per month, and you can get yourself subscribed to our strategy. So it's quite free and with low barrier for you to enter. And we also have someone ask us, are we some sort of proper firm? We are actually not proper firm, so we don't provide you a fund for you to trade, but you need to use your own fund to trade. But we do provide you with a high win rate strategy will basically help you to earn money easily from the market.
Yes,
Okay?
you can use a demo account first.
Yep.
So that you don't really need to use your own money. You can like learn from paper money, and when you feel like you're ready, that you've learned a lot and you know how the market works, maybe in like a month, then you can use your own money. That'll
That's
be
true.
much safer.
That's true.
Yeah.
So we're starting with the demo account.
Yes,
You will
demo
make
account.
yourself sure that you have get familiar with our strategy well, and then that's where you could just try whether or not you want to do with the real account. Yeah, but first you need to do with the demo first. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because we stated that the strategy is 80%, right? It's not 100%. So in some days we might also, the strategy might also be wrong, but of course it's 80%, you still get 80% benefits from it.
That's
Yeah.
true. That is true. Okay. Yeah. So I think today the gold strategy already finished. So we'll just take another close look at the other two, which are the Aussie dollar as well as for the pound yen. Okay. So pound yen, our target line is also 191.050. Gold already finished. For Aussie, our target line is 0.65350. So we're waiting for these two strategy to be finished for the day, and we'll just to see if this two strategy works or not. If you have any questions, you can raise it up, so I will be able to see your comments, see your questions, and I will be able to answer your questions here. As you can see here right now, we're waiting for the pound yen to drop down to hit our third line, and waiting for our Aussie to go up to get close to our second line.
Thanks for the follow.
Thanks for following us. So we're currently waiting for the first two. Actually, we can probably hide the gold right now because the gold is already finished. We just focus on two, pound yen as well as for the Aussie. Okay, these are the two that we are waiting to be finished. For the pound yen, we'll wait it to hit the yellow line. For the gold, for the Aussie dollar, we'll wait it to raise.
There's about 10 watching, so
Yeah.
ask any questions.
Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm also looking at our chart channel. So if you're interested about our strategy, please refer to our bio. There's a link for you to join our Telegram group. We will send you the review every day through the Telegram group, and there will be one free signal be sent to the Telegram group every day. So if you're interested about our signal, interested about how you can earn money easily from us, you can just talk with us. Okay, somebody is asking, is that possible for gold to reach 2350? Okay, we only do trades in 4 hours, so afternoon 4 hour window, so we don't predict the market too long. Okay, I think 2350 is too long for you to predict. For us, we only do the trade in 4 hour window, so we only need to stick on our strategy to see what are the critical price levels provided by the strategy for the day, and we just do the execution followed by the strategy. We don't predict the market, but we do execute our orders based on the strategy provided from the professional team. Alright, so our distance traders already opened his position for the Aussie dollar. Our distance traders already opened his position for the Aussie dollar. And pound yen is about to finish, everybody. Pound yen is about to finish. Pound yen, our target line is 191.050. Currently, it's just 2 pips away. We'll just wait to see whether or not the pound yen is going to finish on time. Alright, so pound yen just finished, everyone. Pound yen just finished for the day. So if you're holding pound yen, this is where you could close for profits, okay? Pound yen just finished for the day. Pound yen finished for the day. So we're just waiting for the Aussie to be finished for the rest of the day. Pound yen is finished, which is hit our targeted 0.50. Pound yen finished. So we just wait now for the Aussie dollar to be finished for the day. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can always send me a comment on the comment box that I will be able to answer your question. Please ask any of the questions you have. Thank you. Again, we are Orion Trading Academy. Our winning rate is 80% in the past 7 years. If you wanted to learn more about our strategy, as well as want to learn more about our copy trading functions or some other features about our platform, please check out the bio, click on the link, and add our group, and then you will be able to join us, and our customer agent will be there to answer your questions. So what I've said today, the strategy for pound yen already finished. So we'll just take a close look at the Aussie dollar. Okay, pound yen finished, gold finished. We'll just wait for the Aussie dollar. Nice. Alright, so we're still waiting for the signal to be finished for the day, so we're waiting for the Aussie to be finished. As you may see today, we already finished the pound yen as well as for the gold dollar. Gold dollar today we stopped the loss. Pound yen we actually hit the TP1, and we are currently just waiting for the Aussie dollar to be finished for the day. So again, if you're interested in our strategy, this is the best time for you to connect us. This strategy is 80% accurate in the past 7 years, so it will 100% help you to earn money, earn profits from the market, and will help you to increase your winning rate compared to you doing individual tradings yourself. And this strategy is right now, if you are subscribed to the strategy, we are having a 90% discount, so which means you only use something around $10 for a whole month subscription. You can have a trial first, and then to decide whether or not you're going to subscribe for a longer period. So yeah, this is what we are talking here right now. So if you are interested, just to get started, this is a good time for you to get started. Alright guys, we're about to close our live stream for today. Thanks for your attention to us for the next and last 3 hours. So today our signals are all ended for the pound yen as well as for the gold dollar. We're waiting for the Aussie dollar to be finished, but if you want to know what happened to the Aussie dollar, please get to our Telegram group. You may refer to our bio, click on the link, and then you may be able to add into our groups. Then you will be able to in contact with our customer agents. Then they will be able to help you to get yourself registered. Subscribe to our free signal as well. Will get a bit experience about our trading strategy. Okay, so Orion Trading Academy's live stream will be happening every day from 12 to 4. If you're interested in our live stream, please get yourself follow our account. We're going to post, actually we post the daily review every day to our TikTok channel, so you can check our TikTok account. There's short videos telling you about the strategy, the review, and everything. So if you're interested about that, you can also follow our TikTok account and check our short videos every day. Alright, so it's very nice to have you guys here today, and I will see you next week on Monday.